Today I'm going to be working on my Ducati 749. I'm going to be doing the voltage regulator and the battery. I just picked this up and she's not running, so I'm going to have to just do that. So first things first, I added some spools to it, and I'm going to readjust my pit bull stand so it can fit on this, so it's a little bit more stable. And we're going to do that first. So I just marked it where the Ninja 250 was on it so I can move it back. I ordered a new stand, it just hasn't come in yet. So let me do that and get this bike settled so we can start working on it. So I adjusted the pit bull stand and put the bike up on a stand. So now she's nice and sturdy, where I don't have to worry about her falling while I'm working on her. Oh, it's only about 150 degrees out here today, so I'm going to be sweating my what off. But it's time to take her apart. Let's see what happens to it. So first things first, I'm just going to pull off the side fairings to get to the battery and voltage regulator. Okay, so I've actually now taken the fairings off, at least on the left-hand side. That's where the battery is, and that's where I believe the voltage regulator is behind the battery. So I'm now going to pop off the battery and see what else we got here. So this should have taken about 5 minutes. However, one of the bolts under there was stuck and the rubber was just spinning, so I actually had to take part of the fairing off in the front and then just get a lock pliers on it, needle nose lock pliers, and hold the rubber piece so I can spin out the bolt. So that's where we are, so onward, upward. Now I've taken the battery out, and you can see these are kind of rough. I'm going to clean them up. I'm going to take off the battery holding tray and get to the regulator. I have the battery out. I disconnected the battery tray, and behind it is, well, there was a shield that sits up underneath here. If it sits behind there like that, that's a heat shield. I've taken that off, and your regulator's right here, and I'm just going to unbolt it and snap in the Rex one. So let's see what we got. These terminals look good.
Alright, so as you saw YouTube, we clicked in the wires, we put back the shield and put back the cover on the bike. Now we have to put in the battery.
Get the battery back in it. Starts right up. Voltage is perfect. Everything's running right. I'm going to put her back together. Okay. Now that the Ducati runs, I've just been playing all afternoon, trying to just clean it up a little bit. Just cleaning up the motor, cleaning up just stuff around it so it looks like one of my bikes. I can't stand bikes that are dirty. So, and now I'm just cleaning the inside of the fairings and stuff because it's just ridiculously dirty. And obviously Ducati shouldn't be dirty. They should be clean because they're basically a Ferrari of motorcycles. So Italian bike should be cleaned. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to play and play and play until it's clean. I ordered a new sticker. This one's worn, so I ordered a new sticker. That's how anal I get with stuff. So this bike in a few weeks isn't going to look anything the same. So wait and see. Okay, it's about 9 o'clock at night, and I'm done with the Ducati for the day. I just changed some bolts in here that were non-stainless, so basically they ended up looking like garbage. The one there that was actually one of them. And these, you can see they're starting to rot away, so I changed them to stainless. I'm going to finish cleaning the bike tomorrow. It should be in a lot better shape. But for right now, that was the voltage regulator on a 749 Ducati, and hope you enjoyed it. It really wasn't a hard thing. The hardest thing was trying to get the bottom bolts off the fairing, because the rubber was just spinning. That was probably the hardest part of the job. Really, it was something that probably could have been done in I don't know, an hour, 2 hours. But I don't do anything in 2 hours. It takes me forever because I have to clean everything, and I have to check bolts that aren't part of the job. I just, if I'm there, I fix it. So that's where we are. And as you can see, it's flashing that the alarm's on, or whatever that is. It's flashing red, so I assume that's the alarm. And she runs, and so that's where we are. So as usual, like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram at Greg_Dibsy. And as usual, give us a good thumbs up if you like the video. There'll be more on the Ducati soon, so stay tuned and watch.
Give us a big thumbs up, like and subscribe.